What's a good CTR on YouTube? Hello YouTubeator. Well, you just launched your YouTube automation channel. You published 1, 2, 3, or maybe 20 videos. You may rely on views to evaluate how your videos are performing on the platform. Actually, it's more complicated than that. There are several metrics to take into consideration if you really want to understand if you're on the right path. But we're not going to approach them all in this short video. We will focus on the CTR, the click-through rate. According to databox.com, the YouTube click-through rate displays how many users watched your video after being registered as an impression. But what does it really mean? YouTube shows your video to 100 users and gives you how many of them chose to click, which translates into a percentage. Easy, right? But what's a good CTR? How do you know that your video is getting a proper click-through rate? We made deep research and found out that the most successful channels get between 5 and 10%. Even if reaching a 10% CTR is quite uncommon. So to make it short, your target CTR must be around 5%, especially if you are a new YouTube automation channel. And how do you increase your click-through rate overnight and go from 1 to 6% easily? You'll find the answer in the next video. But first, don't forget to subscribe to YouTumation.